Hello, you're welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to allow star comments on TikTok live. So guys, let's dive right into the video. So looking right here is the homepage of my TikTok app. Now at the bottom you can see the plus button. That's the first step you need to actually take. Click on the plus button like this so that you'll be able to see your TikTok live settings. Scroll at the bottom and click on live. So right here you can see the gear icon where it says settings, so you need to go ahead and click on settings like this. So right here you need to scroll gently. Looking here you can see where it says comment settings, so you need to go ahead and click on that. So right here you can see the option of star comments. You need to go ahead and click on it like this. So looking here you can see that mine is already enabled. So if yours is like this, you need to go ahead and click on it in order to enable your star comments. So this is how simple it is to enable star comments on TikTok live. Hope you found this video helpful. Now hit the like button, subscribe and hit notification bell to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful videos like this on this channel. See you in the next one.